Plant friends, welcome back to another new video. On today's upload, I'm going to be redoing the greenhouse again because I'm not really satisfied on how the plants are. It looks very satisfying in my eyes, but it's a little bit of a hassle to move around and organize all the plants to the ones that I want to sell, the ones that I'm propagating, the ones that are just part of my collection. So I'm gonna move the tables again. I don't know why, I'm just very undecisive, and the plants are not really gonna get hurt. They don't really mind it from what I noticed. And also it's very therapeutic to me, moving plants around and organizing. So yeah, we're gonna do a little quick time lapse, and possibly I might chat with you guys and show you guys a quick little tour on how I ended up doing everything else, which by the way, I think you guys can hear the little chickens chirp a little bit, so I'm gonna show you guys how they are, and then we're gonna get on to the time lapse. These are my adorable little chicks. I have 5 of them. I have one black one and 4 brown ones. This is the darker one. She's so beautiful, and she's right next to the brown one. Here's another brown one, and the other 2 are over there. They're just so adorable, and they're getting so big so fast, which is amazing. And they're starting to get used to me. Before they used to run away, but now they seem very calm. Now they seem very calm, and that's just really, really fun. So they're just super cute. I love them so much. Finish taking out all of the plants, so here they are, and then here's the other ones. Oh, they're so adorable. Placed this wood on this side, just wood slash table with the bricks, like this one. So there will be a table on this side and over here, and this one I'm also gonna try to make it into that side, and maybe I can make another table because I think I have more bricks. I did find more wood to put the wood on top of the bricks and make it into another table on that side. I know it doesn't look really cute with the bricks, but it works, and I'm on a budget, and I'm trying to buy things if it works. But hopefully in the future I can buy more shelves in the back. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It does look a lot better and more welcoming to walk, so that's pretty fun. But I really want to show you guys these pictures. It's insane how they're getting big and they're not turning brown, because my boyfriend and I we were struggling so much with this plant. I believe this one is his, and then that one's mine. But oh my god, they're doing so good, and they're catching so many bugs, which is amazing. And look, he's a little baby pigeon, and it just looks super cute. So hopefully in the future it can get a lot bigger, which is kind of cute and fun. And I do want to repot it. I kind of want to put in a 1-gallon pot with its specific soil, because I know these a little bit more of moisture retention rate, the soil that can hold a lot of moisture, obviously with good drainage hose. And I want to give it a moss pole, because as you guys can see, it's doing this, and I want it to go up. And I feel I noticed, well, I think a lot of these plants, specifically philodendrons and pothos, when they go up, when you give them a trellis or a moss pole, they tend to get bigger leaves, and they just seem to enjoy life a lot more. So that's what I want to do for these pitcher plants. But yeah, so I'm gonna go finish doing this, another quick time lapse, and I'll see you guys in a bit. finished watering and moved the other table as well. These are the plants that were in that table. Always my favorite, and that always catches my eyes. It's beautiful. Poly elephant ear, aka alocasia. She's doing so good. And this one was like, I was literally gonna toss it out because it was just dead. It had no leaves. It wasn't growing at all. And then I placed it outside, and she ended up pushing out all these. This is a beautiful new leaf. Like, it is just so stunning. And I ended up repotting this beautiful philodendron that was like in a 4-inch pot, and as you guys can see, it is doing amazing. I also ended up propagating some of its stems or nodes because I wanted more of these, and it's just doing so beautiful, so good. I think it's really happy in the greenhouse. And then this beautiful rubber tree, mini monstera, that I propagated in that video. If you haven't seen it, one of the ads will be popping up in the corners. But as you guys can see, it's going to be a lot more bushy, and that is just so exciting. But yeah, these are, I'm probably gonna do another time lapse and put all of these in here before I run out of light. But I'm really loving how it looks, because it just looks beautiful. So they're like when I had it before, but it is like a lot easier to walk by and water the plants. Like, there's no plants that are gonna be left out without water now, because I can easily bring out the hose and water all of them. These scissors are on the floor. And look at this lemon lime maranta. It is just in bloom, and I'm so happy for her. Look at this one. Beautiful prayer plant. And there's another prayer plant that's in bloom as well. Where is she? This one. Hello, baby chicks. Look at that. After I'm done filming, I'm gonna place the chickens in their chicken coop. But look at that beautiful flower. Oh my god, it's beautiful. And my Monstera Deliciosa has this. I think it's called like deeper illustrations, or I don't know what it's called, but instead of always being like this, because when you first buy a mini Monstera, they're usually like in they're very young, and they have no illustrations, like a baby smooth leaf, and then it starts developing some beautiful cuts, and then more, and then it starts doing this. Oh my god, I'm so proud of her. Like, she has beyond, I'm just speechless. She's so happy. My money tree is also doing amazing. And I ended up organizing this little section. This is some water that I got for the chickens. The begonias, beautiful. Like, I'm just obsessed how it looks. I'm not sure how they're gonna do. They were on the floor. This was in the floor, and it was like really shaded, and I feel like it was a lot cooler in the bottom. So we're gonna see how they end up acting. If they don't like it, then I'll just put them back where they were. But I really do love how it just turned out. It's just, I love it. I love this place. Alrighty, so let's start the time lapse before I run out of daylight and see if I can finish it up.